Fats are friends. The kind of friends you really want to have in your life. Now, we've all been told fat is public enemy #1 and to run away from anything that contains it. But today, why fats can be your best friends to reset and rebalance your body. Nutritionist JJ Smith is here with a new plan for the ultimate fats you should be eating. Thank you very much.
How are you?
So there's a lot of fear out there about fats.
Yes.
Fear that it'll make you fat, fear that it's going to get blocked up in your arteries.
Right.
These are years of people being taught stuff. You think we got a better story for fats now. We got to reset by getting the right fats in our life.
That's right. Well, we were actually trained to think that fats were bad. And so what happened was we started replacing it with stuff that was way worse. And so what we found as we started doing low-calorie, fat-free, because we thought fats were bad. And then as a result, all that did was give us fat-free products that had more sugar in them, had more ingredients in them. All these things made us hungrier and even bigger. So it really didn't work out too well.
Yeah, and let's look at why fats can help you rebalance your weight and your cravings. So at one point, we were all told, like JJ said, just to get that fat-free food in our body, load up on it. You see it all there, right? Well, guess what? They often have more sugar and more carbs. And this can cause fluctuations in blood sugar and can actually make you eat more because you're never satiated. Now we know in order to reset and balance, you need full-fat foods, right? Of any kinds. Pick the ones that you like. You can avoid those hunger-inducing blood spikes, right? Because you don't get the sugar jetting up in your bloodstream, and that way you end up eating a little less because your body and your mind are satisfied. That's why fats are your friends. They'll always be there for you to help keep your cravings in check. I like this idea. It's a concept you ought to link to.
I like it.
Let's get to the ultimate plan with my friendly fats that you should be eating.
Yes.
The first fat that most of you aren't taking in is tahini. Add 1 tablespoon of tahini to your breakfast. Simple to do, easy to incorporate, but most of us have no idea what tahini is.
I know, right? Well, tahini is a creamy paste, and it's made purely from ground sesame seeds. I think it kind of tastes like a mild peanut butter. So that's how you can kind of think. If you like peanut butter, you'll love it because it has much more flavor.
Yeah. So walk us through, what are the best ways you can get it for breakfast? You got 2 options here.
Okay, the best ways you can get it for breakfast is drizzle it all on your fruit. That's a great option. And then the next option is to be able to put it on a little bit of toast. Ooh. How about that? Tahini on toast.
It's like a peanut butter sandwich. You know what? I think tahini could be the new toast of the year.
It could be.
This could be it.
They'll love it.
I actually gave a little bit to my audience, which is, they're pretty strict and tough sometimes, harsh even. Thoughts? You've taken bites? Happy?
It was good. It was very good.
Just good?
It was great. It was creamy.
Creamy. Thank you.
It was very nutty and not very sweet. I like that.
Anybody else happy? Yeah.
It was a great alternative to peanut butter.
I can't believe this. We might have some customers. One last one.
It's nice because it's not as thick as peanut butter.
Yeah, it's not as... The thing is, if you like peanut butter, you ought to try it. If you don't like peanut butter, you ought to try it. It makes it pretty easy. There's parts about it that are similar, parts about it that are not. Find your way. I love it. Next idea. The next friendly fat for us is coconut butter. JJ, explain what coconut butter is.
Okay, coconut butter is made from dried coconut flakes. So what you do is you blend it all up and you get this creamy wonder known as coconut butter. I love it. I keep it in every room of my house, actually. But what it actually does, even just a tablespoon of coconut butter gives us lots of healthy fats and plenty of potassium. So it tastes real good, right?
What's the difference between coconut oil and coconut butter?
Okay, coconut oil is made when you remove the oils from the flesh of the coconut. But when you puree it right from the coconut meat, that's when you get actual coconut butter.
This is one of the best things I've tasted in a long, long time.
Wow,
and it explodes in your mouth.
Yeah, it does.
I should have put the coconut butter on the tahini for the audience. Then they would have been jumping up and down for joy.
They'd be so excited. They wouldn't be able to contain
Look at their eyes.
themselves.
Look how happy they are over there.
Yes, look at
smiling
them.
at me.
Smiles everywhere.
Coveting our coconut butter. Kimberly added this to her lunch. How are you, Kimberly?
Hi, good. How are you?
So speak for everybody. You've been using this as a part of your lunch, I understand, for the last couple of days.
Yeah. So in replacement of, oils, I just put the coconut butter, and it really tastes really nice and rich and creamy, and it's still very filling. And sometimes when, I'm on the go, I actually just make a smoothie because it's just nice and quick to make. And
I like it. And she likes smoothies, especially.
Yeah.
She's making it up. She's making it up. She's looking it up. She likes it.
I like smoothies. Great option.
very good.
I think this is a very clever idea.
I do too.
Yeah.
And this is not about eating more fat. This is about replacing fat and replacing sugar
That's right.
with the right kinds of fats.
Healthy, the healthy fats.
All right, the next friendly fat is full dairy
Surprise,
for dinner.
right?
Full dairy, not skim. We're getting away from that. All right, so you know I'm a big fan of yogurt.
Yeah, so am
give me some
I.
yogurt options for dinner.
Okay, I know you like yogurt. I'm digging yogurt too. So another way to do it is just take a little bit of the yogurt. This is our full-fat dairy. Put a little bit on your roasted sweet potato. Plop a little bit on your chili. Look at that. That looks good,
Mixes
right?
And maybe it looks better than the cream. Look at that.
I
Mixes
know,
right in there.
right.
Imagine that being good for you. That's the real fat. That's the equation. All right, everybody. The complete guide to healthy fats are out there. All you got to do is go to droz.com. It'll help you and help everybody around you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.